So are you a gear hoarder? You know what I'm talking about, don't you? I mean, do you collect your gear and never get rid of it? Why? I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I am a bit of a gear hoarder. Thanks for being nice to my little dog and pony show here, the Creative License. And of course, our sponsors like DJ NTV, DJ Event Planner, great CRM if you're looking to put together a business about event DJing and even club DJing or any kind of DJ business you have. Promo Only, a great company for your music and your music libraries. Electro Voice speakers and Electro Voice microphones, and just one of the greatest audio companies in the history of the world. And of course, the Entertainment Experience, which is my workshop, and I'd like you to know more about it. And there are still some seats available for the mini workshops I'm doing in Las Vegas at the MEX conference, where I'm going to be speaking. Anyway, gear hoarding, good thing, bad thing? I don't know. Depends on who you are, right? And depends on your perspective. I've got a wife. She doesn't like the fact that I'm a gear hoarder. She doesn't like the fact that I still have pin spots from 25, 30 years ago. That I have police lights in there. You can see those. An old Chauvet rotating moon head right there. These are lights that I don't use anymore. They work. They're wonderful. Do I sell them? No. Do I have them? Okay. But I save everything for some weird reason. Okay. I've got speakers back here I don't use anymore. I've got, let's see, what is that up there? It looks like a gobo boy up there. I've got mirrored balls. I've got speakers. I got trivia games left and right. Unbelievable. There's my drum set. Ask me the last time I played my drums. Okay. And down in the lower speakers, you can't even see. I've got my Bose. My old Bose system, a bunch of EV speakers over here that I do use every once in a while, but not all the time. I've got things even behind that, and behind that, and behind that. What is that? What is that? Why do we do that? Look at, I even got one of my first lighting systems. Look at that. Those old plastic lights up there. They all got dust. They're just sitting up there. Why do I have it? Well, for me, it's sentimental. And I don't know if it's sentimental for you, but it certainly is sentimental for me, because this stuff means something to me. This is my history, right? This is where I began. I love the idea that I still have this equipment that still works. Can I get rid of it? Yeah. Sometimes people say to me, well, you could sell it. Well, if you've been in this for any amount of time, you know, the moment you buy your equipment, it's pretty much not sellable. It is sellable, but you're not going to get the money you got out of it again, unless you find some kid who certainly doesn't know anything about DJing, right? Or where he can get stuff just as good or better by spending as much money as you want to get. There's thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is just in my garage. This isn't everywhere else. These aren't all the cables. These aren't all the extension cords and power strips and, and light bulbs and the music. Oh my gosh, back in the back there, where you can't even see, back that humidifier box there, and the boxes under that, and the boxes under that, and then there's boxes down in there. Those are the CDs, thousands of CDs. And we're not even talking about the albums that I still have. Your wives, your girlfriends, your spouses, your partners, they don't understand this. I got it. You're still carrying on. I still have records, man. Do I use records at events? No. But there's a sentimentality to what we do for a lot of us. If this isn't you, then you should do some kind of a Marie Kondo thing for DJs, because I don't know how I'm going to be. I'm never getting better at this. But what I do know is that everything I still have, it all works. Anything I still have, I can still play with. Anything I want to, I can pull it out. I can reminisce. I can show my kids. I think that means something, because our history and where we came from is the reason why we continue to do this, man. This is why you continue to do this, why I continue to do this. This is why I want to do this every day and never quit. So don't forget, man. Hold on to your old pin spotlights, right? Hold on to your ADJA party lights. I still get a lot of people giving me crap about my cop lights, the mirrored ball motor that I have here. I don't care. This is me celebrating that this is me. This is where I came from. I love it. How about you? Do you still love it? Or are you one of those people that use it and the moment you get something new, you throw it away, you get rid of it? I don't really hoard much anything. And this isn't really as bad a hoard as some people. I'm just interested. And I thought I would share. This is Bill, this is Creative License, and I'll see you in Vegas.